Welcome back to Unpair fans. Today we are going to talk about how to unpair headphone in oppo phone. Guys, you want to unpair headphone in oppo phone, so guys you can unpair it. In this video guys I will tell you how to unpair it. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you, if you're in my channel and you're watching for the first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and like my videos. So first of all open your phone setting, then guys click on Bluetooth. Then guys you want to unpair this headphone, so you can see this icon setting, so I will click here and guys you can see unpair option. So guys we will unpair it, so your headphone will unpair and guys we will off our headphone. Then guys it will unpair. So I think friends you have understood how to unpair headphone in oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you want guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.